Malam everyone, welcome back to 15 Jalan Buloh Perindu. We are here for 15 Against Cancer, where 15 vendors are here to support cancer patient beneficiaries from Free Food for All and Project Goodwill Aid. We are very blessed with good weather today. We hope to be able to raise $6,000 in funds that will go into helping these patients with their cost of living as well as the cost of the treatment. We have today vendors like Julie Bakes, Walberg, Fries, all the big names, Black Boys Cubanos. They have always been supportive of all our projects, and today is no different. We are here together for this cause in support of the cancer patients. Thank you for all the support and for sharing our event on Facebook and on social media. We are very grateful. We will also be bringing more of such events to other areas.